back, dear friends. I'm your exuberant and exhilarating host, C.J. Larkins, and this is the Thread of Life. Thank you for joining us for today's bonus episode on affirmations. The affirmations we are reading today are centered on credit, money, and the mindset that shapes both. Because when our inner world shifts, our outer world follows. And when we tend to our financial roots, we free our future to rise. Let's begin with a quote. Credit is more than a score, it's your strategy. This quote comes straight from my upcoming book, The Create Wealth Credit Playbook, which is available for pre sale on my website, createwealth.solutions. Inside the book, you'll find these affirmations and the exact plays to elevate your credit and build the life you envision. Now, take a breath with me and let's step into the affirmations that help us shape the lives we envision. My credit is a reflection of my habits, nothing more. I build my credit just the same as I build my life. I organize my life, setting myself up for success. I increase my knowledge about credit and finance to develop my financial mindset. My credit is a tool. With it, I lay the foundation of my future. I use credit for the necessities. Credit is a tool. When used correctly, it helps me to secure the home of my dreams. Credit is a tool. I use it to build the life of my dreams. Credit is a tool. I use it to secure the vehicle I desire. I plan the best way to use my credit. I think long term, setting myself up for success. I am clear about my credit goals. Credit is a tool that supports my journey called life. I use credit for what matters: assets, stability, and opportunity. With healthy credit, I lay the foundation of my future. Every wise decision I make today becomes a benefit to my future self. I practice patience, discipline, and confidence on my financial journey. I release old patterns and step into empowered financial strategies. I move with strategy, not hope. I build infrastructure. I plan. I follow the blueprint laid out for my success. I am the architect of my life. My credit is one of my strongest tools. I honor my financial goals with responsible and aligned choices. My credit reflects growth, maturity, and elevated habits. I make decisions that secure my future, not sabotage it. I am worthy of financial peace. I plan with purpose, not emotion. I trust myself with money. I am consistent, capable, and committed to my future. I operate from abundance, not survival. I see the end result clearly, and my actions follow my vision. My imagination is my blueprint, and I trust it. I create my reality by deciding what I expect. Every payment I make is a vote for the life I want. I am not defined by my past mistakes. I am defined by my next decision. I am creating a life that reflects my highest self. I walk in faith, discipline, and purpose, and my life is transforming. And that's all for today's episode. Short, powerful, and straight to the point, just how we like it. If these affirmations touch something in you, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe, share it, save it, whatever keeps you tapped in and aligned with your growth. And listen, if you're serious about getting your credit together and building real wealth, my new book, The Create Wealth Credit Playbook, is officially on pre-sale. It's at createwealth.solutions, link below and on Instagram. And while you're at it, follow us on IG at The Thread Pod. Once again, that's The Thread Pod. Go grab it while it's fresh and start putting those plays in motion. All right, friends, stay focused, stay intentional, and keep building the life you know you're meant for. This is CJ Larkins with The Thread of Life, and we're just getting started.